What's up, brother? How we doing?
Doing great, man. It's good to meet you.
Finally good to meet you, man. I made it northbound, didn't I? All right.
That was a heck of a cannonball run, but holy.
Hey, good morning, guys. Andy from Motos, Kids, and Coffee. It's day 6, 7 of my journey. I'm in, I think it's Presque, Maine. I'm going to Caribou, Maine. Got to go to the Harley dealer up there, get my passport. Oops. Well, it's there. That's the good news. So on the way we go. I'm all checked out of the hotel room, or I'm about to be. And on our way. Let's go northbound. And good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 6 of my ride challenge, northbound, Maryland to PEI, Canada. I'm headed to Caribou, Maine right now. I'm in Presque, Maine, I believe. Presque, Maine. Headed to Caribou. I gotta go to the Harley dealer up there. And if you watched my last episode, I may have neglected to bring my passport from my last deal. Speaking of which, yep, wallet's still there, phone's still there. Okay, we're good. Go to the dealer, do all my paperwork to get into Canada, crossing the border. Before I do that, I'm going to set everything up for kilometers. And then also drive, what, 5 hours. I think I'll be crossing a ferry or a bridge. I'll be going through Nova Scotia. And like I said, 5.5 hours to PEI. So I got a long day, and then I think we'll ride out tomorrow. I'm not really sure of our plan of attack when I get there, but gonna meet Island ADV. So on the way to dealer in Caribou, Maine, leaving Presque. It's a little chilly out, but it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm about half a mile away. That's it. Right up there. Caribou, Maine. There's the dealer. Gotta be right there. Let's go talk to him and do this Arrive Canada stuff and Harley Davidson. Yeah. Turn this off and go on inside. Okay, we're at Plourde, Harley Davidson. You can see they got some great bikes. Obviously not just Harley Davidson, but you got to imagine up in Maine there's ATVs and stuff. But yeah, they got some Pan Americas, a Night Rod. I've ridden now. That's fantastic. They got some pretty bikes. Plourde saved me. I got my passport card. Oh, that's a new one, right?
Yeah, that just came in a week ago.
What's the, so it's, do you know the color name?
I don't.
Okay, it's very cool though.
Oh, it's awesome.
Man, I'm not a huge trike guy, but this thing's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Every dealer gets one.
One, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Lowrider S. Very cool. You got some good gear stock. And we're at the end of the season, so, well, end of the motorcycle season, but you do ATVs as well?
Yeah, oh yeah, big time. Snowmobile.
So, you call them snowmobiles or sleds, or what do you call them?
Sleds.
Okay, or what do they call them? Snow machines, Midwest, so, okay. Very cool. All right, well, thank you. And they're awesome, they got that here, so they held that for me. And I can't say enough about the Harley Davidson dealership network. Plourde and Caribou, Maine. So I gotta go enter my stuff in on Arrive Can, and then we'll be on my way. Okay, 204 miles, 204.8 miles. divided by 4.376 is 46.8 miles per gallon. All right. Actually, I'm going to New Brunswick, Grand Falls, New Brunswick. There we go. And off we go. Entering in Grand Falls, New Brunswick. I should have gone to the other entry point, but I kind of messed up. It's gonna give me an extra 15 minutes, I guess, on the road. Oh well. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm glad I have gloves on because I did get a blister on my right hand just from hanging on to the tank and so forth when I was off-road, and I couldn't remember why I got a blister, but now I feel like when I'm up and I'm really hanging on tight to the bars, that's how I got my blister. It's not horrible, but these gloves have definitely cushioned it. Glad I'm wearing them. Okay. About 27 minutes to go. Now, one thing I will say is the coast here, the scenery is a lot different than I thought it would be. It's not quite coastal, it's not mountainous, it's almost farmland. It kind of reminds me of like where I went to school in North Dakota. It's pretty open with tree breaks and yeah, very farmlandy. I guess this is a border crossing. I'm gonna pull up my phone and do all that stuff. Let's see, stop here. Okay, stop here, wait for green light, and then proceed to inspection. Okay. Okay. There's green light. Hello. Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How are you? All right, let's turn this bad boy off.
You know your license plate by heart?
I sure don't. Can I go look?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
And where do you live, sir?
I'm in Maryland. Maryland, USA.
So, where are you going?
I'm going to PEI.
Or...
I'm meeting another motorcycle vlogger.
Okay. Gonna be staying how long?
2 days.
So, besides your personal clothing, luggage, what do you guys, what do you...
Just camping gear.
Okay, nothing.
Yeah. We good?
Yeah, all set. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Yeah. That was pretty simple. Cool dude. Wow. Really happy. All right. Shut this off, get a selfie that approved in Canada. Okay, that is not 80 miles an hour. That's 80 kilometers an hour. All right, I'm in kilometers. I gotta get used to that. Wow, it's beautiful. Holy moly, just as beautiful as anything I've seen so far. It is so cool looking. I'm in Canada. What? 5.5 hours to go. Yes! You know what I didn't see? I did not see an American sign in the crossing. Interesting. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention. This is great. Like the grandeur of this is just amazing. It is open and big. Everything in French too. Okay, not used to that. Look at that, this valley is just amazing. Wow. Ah, will you look at that? Look at that sign. Welcome to New Maryland, Canada. The famous St. John's River. One last stop. I'm going to another Harley Davidson dealership. Since I've been making it a habit, I think this is the very last one, boys for big boys, on the East Coast that I've been to. So I kind of wanted to just check it out, and it's the very, very latest one we could get to. the farthest north and the farthest east. So let's go check them out. Got a couple KTMs, all sorts of things, but Harley's here too. One of the few multi-dealer Harley dealerships, I think, just that I know of, just because probably there's not few and far between. Husqvarna, so they got KTMs, Super Duke, all sorts of stuff. Okay, one of the last stops on the East Coast for Harley Davidson, I believe. Toys for Big Boys, a multi-brand dealership, but I'm gonna go check them out. So I'm guessing you're one of the few Harley dealerships that have other brands as well too. KTM, Honda.
We're multi-line, but that is changing. We're building a separate building for Harley.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be a few months yet before.
All right, at Toys for Big Boys, talking to the staff here, really cool staff. I'm gonna go take a look at some of the apparel stuff. Of course, the bikes, look at that. Good deal. And then I think I'm gonna talk to some Harley dealership folks here. I'll tell you a little bit about what they said. There you are. Sporty Pan Am. Heritage. Alright, some good stuff. Parts, accessories. So we can get it. Alright, so I'm with Blaine. You're the Harley Davidson guy here at Toys for Big Boys. We're gonna get a quick picture. We've been talking Pan America here. So let's get a selfie and we'll put this dealer review.
Excellent.
Hey guys. Well, Toys for Big Boys. Really cool place. And gotta go check them out. They said they're gonna be building a whole new shop just for Harley Davidson and clean service around in a few months, just a little bit down the road from them. So that was the big news. That's gonna be only Harley Davidson dealers. Yeah, we got a little Triumph Tiger there. What year's your Tiger?
97.
Very cool. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Very good.
120,000 on it.
That's it?
Yeah. I know.
Tires don't have 127,000 on there.
No.
You will. All right, on the way we go. One thing I did notice when I went to Metric, the tire pressure doesn't show in the upper left-hand corner. You can still find out what it is by going to Bike, I believe. Yep. And it tells you what the tire pressures are, and I have no idea what that equates to again. I don't even know. KPA, KP. Somebody on my channel, please tell me what KPA stands for. Please. I'll send you a sticker from you, whoever sends me a sticker, and tell me what the normal range is. If you send me tell me what, put a comment below, tell me what KPA stands for, and what the standard range of KPA in the front and rear are supposed to be. You want 36, 41 PSI front and rear tires for the Pan America. Wasn't supposed to be a KPA. Alright, on to bridge. There's the sun. I'm looking for Slowdown at night. Wow, looks like I'm starting the bridge. I have no idea how long it is. Looks pretty long. Dang, this is a long bridge. Made it to my destination. I made it northbound. God. Alright, I'm pretty stoked now to meet my buddy Island 88. Alright. More than excited. Wow. I made it. EEI. I made it northbound. I think he's in here, he says. Okay, there he is. And there he is. Oh! What's up, brother? How we doing?
Doing great, man. It's good to meet you.
Finally good to meet you, man.
Awesome.
I made it northbound, didn't I?
Sure did.
All right.
That was a heck of a cannonball run, but holy.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Bike's looking great.
Thanks, dude. Going on a real steep one here. Yep, we're gonna go for it. I'm doing it. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of one. Oh, yeah. All right, so let's go check out the beach. Here we go. Let's do it. Boom.